We've designed the Brumby compressor to suit Australian conditions. We've achieved this by utilising a 500 litre wet air receiver prior to going into a pre-filter, an oversized dryer and a post-filter. This results in very clean, dry air in the most harshest environments. These purpose-built compressors come in a range between 5 and 15 kilowatts. They are available with or without a dryer. The Brumby is ideal for small workshops such as panel beaters, cabinet makers or small manufacturing plants. The Brumby compressor is a simple, honest, hard-working machine. They're a simple plug-and-play unit that get the job done.